Hello everyone, let's check out the exercise of chapter number 6. A number, oral questions. First, why is soil valuable to us? Answer, soil is valuable to us because all the plants grow in the soil. Some animals like rabbits, earthworms and ants live in the soil. Second number, how do trees help to prevent soil erosion? Answer, the roots of trees hold the soil tightly and help to protect it from soil erosion. Again, the roots of tree hold the soil tightly and help to protect it from erosion. Third number, why do different places have different types of soil? Answer, different places have different types of soil because the type of soil depends upon the kind of rocks from which it is formed. It also depends on the constituents of soil size and color of the soil particles. B number, science quiz. First, name 3 things present in the soil. Answer is water, air and humus. Second number, which soil is used to make pots? Answer is clay soil. Third number, give one way to prevent soil erosion. Answer is afforestation, planting more and more trees. Worksheet A number, MCQs. First, which of the following soils is found in the desert? Answer is A, clay soil. Answer is A, sandy soil. Okay, answer is A, sandy soil. Second number, the soil that cannot hold much water is called. Answer is B, sandy soil. Okay, answer is B, sandy soil. In the first number, answer is A, sandy soil. Second number, answer is B, sandy soil. B number, filling the blanks with the help of the words given. First, rocks break down to form soil. Answer is soil. Second number, the removal of fertile topsoil is called soil erosion. Third number, loamy soil contains both clay and answer is sand. Fourth number, soil is composed of answer is gravel, sand and clay particles. Answer is gravel. Fifth number, protection of soil from its soil erosion. Its erosion is called. Answer is soil conservation. Answer is soil conservation. C number, match the following. First number, crop rotation. Answer is C, soil conservation. Second number, clay soil. Answer is E, can hold a lot of water. Third number, loamy soil. Answer is D, contains sand and clay. Fourth number, floods. Answer is B, soil erosion. Fifth number, humus. Answer is A, makes the soil fertile. D number, identify the following soils and write their names in the spaces provided. First number, sandy soil. Second number, clay soil. Third number, loamy soil. Section number B, A, MCQs. First, strong wind and heavy rain cause. Answer is C, soil erosion. Second number, erosion may also be caused by. Answer is A, overgrazing. B number, very short answer questions. First, name the soil that can hold enough air and water. Answer is loamy soil. Second number, what do we call the topmost fertile layer of the soil? Answer is topsoil. Third number, which soil is used for making buildings? Answer is sandy soil. C number, short answer questions. First, what is crop rotation? Answer, crop rotation is growing of different types of crops in the same field to maintain fertility of soil. Second number, give one characteristic each of sandy, clay and loamy soil. Answer, sandy soil cannot hold much water as water passes through its particles easily. Clay soil can hold a lot of water as water does not pass through its particle easily. Loamy soil can hold enough air and water and is good for growing plants. Third number, Pratyush is a forest officer who not only protects trees from being cut but also plants a tree regularly and takes its proper care? A number, who does deforestation? How does deforestation promote soil erosion? Answer, due to deforestation, cutting down of trees on a large scale, the soil exposed to wind and rain, which cause soil erosion. B number, what can we learn from Pratyush? Answer, we can learn to take care of our environment from Pratyush. D number, long answer questions. First, what is weathering? How does it contributes in the formation of soil? Answer, the process of breaking down of big pieces of rocks into tiny pieces by the heat of the sun, moving air and running water is called weathering. When the weathered tiny pieces of rocks mixes with organic matter and minerals, soil is formed. Second number, write any 3 ways by which we can protect soil. Answer, following are the ways of which we can protect soil. First, the number of trees planted should be more than the number of cut down trees. Second number, grazing animals should not be allowed to graze on the same area of land continuously for a long time because overgrazing reduces the fertility of soil. Third number, we should grow different types of crops in the same field to maintain fertility of soil. This is called crop rotation. E number, think and answer. First, some construction work is going on Sunny's neighborhood. He sees that the workers are mixing the cement with some soil for building bricks. Can you guess which soil it would be? Answer is sandy soil. Second number, which of these fields is more prone to soil erosion, field A or B? Why? Answer is field B. Answer is field B is more prone to soil erosion. Dear students, here we have completed our whole exercise. Please write it down one time in your notebook. This is your homework. Okay, thank you.